To open it and see what happened. You know what it is? It's a jewelry box to put your earrings and your rings and your necklaces. Open it and see what happened.
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Before we jump into today's vlog, I want to share something with you guys real quick, because yes, I know you guys are excited about the vlog, but you'll be even more excited about what I have to show you. No, I want you guys just to pay close attention to what I'm wearing, which I am going to show you guys a better close-up of it. Now I'm wearing this jewelry from a company called Karativa, and Karativa make customized jewelry and music boxes. Some of the cutest music boxes that I have ever seen. The cool thing about this jewelry company is that they use recycled S925 sterling silver to make them more wear resistant. A really cool feature about the jewelry box is that the audio that is inside of the jewelry box, you can send in your own personalized audio, which I think is the coolest touch, or you can personalize music to put in the jewelry box. I'm going to show you the jewelry box that they send for the princess. They also come with rose in them. You have blue rose, or you can choose the pink rose, which is super cute. I'm just going to open it and show you right now. You guys already know that Sarah will be super obsessed with this jewelry box. I'll show you guys Sarah's reaction to her jewelry box the minute she sees it. I think it was the cutest thing ever.
This is for you. What is it? What is it? What is that? What color is it?
Cyan.
Cyan. Well, yes, she says cyan. It's baby blue. You want to open it and see what happened? You know what it is? It's a jewelry box to put your earrings and your rings and your necklaces. Open it and see what happened. Yay!
Piano. It's piano.
It's piano. Yeah. Thank you for my jewelry box.
Thank you, pretty box.
Thank you, jewelry box. Wow.
So make sure you guys go ahead and purchase your jewelry box and your personalized necklace. They also send me 2 other jewelry, which I'm going to show you guys, but first I just want you guys to take in the Karativa jewelry boxes. They are super cute. This ring that I'm showing you right now is the hard cut customized initial ring, which I think is the cutest ring ever. So I have my initial on it and it is so cute. Initial is a must-have. So here goes the initial necklace, which I also super love. So there you guys have that one. The reason why I chose these pieces, of course, is because I really wanted one with babe name on it. So I had to get my husband name so that I can wear him almost every day. And I really wanted a ring with my initial, and I needed a necklace with my initial. So it was the perfect pieces for me to choose from. And what I really like about this company is that it really takes the earth into consideration with using recyclables when they're designing their pieces. So that is something that I really like. Each Karativa piece is handmade and carefully designed at a very affordable price. They are not expensive at all. I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys click and go ahead and purchase something, because they're having a big buy one get one free right now. So click the link down below and make sure you guys don't miss the opportunity to get these amazing pieces. You guys can also use the code VD15 to get 15% off. That's THED15 to get 15% off right now. A really good place to go ahead and get gifts for birthdays, anniversaries, to even treat yourself or get something for a loved one. Go ahead and click the link right now and make sure you use the code to to capitalize on the opportunity of buy one get one free and use the coupon code to get 15% off. Click the link right now. Please go ahead and enjoy the rest of today's vlog.
You guys, I have to show you how she wobbling coming to me. Look at her wobbling. Can you see the wobbling? It's the wobbling for me. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Look how she walking. Look how she wobbling. Listen, not even duck can go in any competition with you. Watch the wobbling. Listen, you need to see yourself rocking side to side. Good morning, Tashika. Good morning. I'm on the road. So you know that everybody else is in their respective places. Tyler is at school, Sarah is at school, Papa is at work. I have to pick up Sarah in 1.5 hours. You guys may or may not know that when I say Sarah is at school, Sarah only go to school for a few hours in the mornings, like 3 to 4 hours, and then I pick her back up. Hence I am still on the road because I wait on her until her session finish. So I'm gonna head to the library, but first, before I head to the library, I am on the road with my girl Tashika, with my baby mama, with her wobbly self. I am at the bus office with her, going to renew her bus card. So that's where I'm at right now. So I am in Saint Nice, France. If you guys are watching the channel for the first time, that's where I am. So I'm gonna show you guys around while I head to the library and get some stuff done on the road. So stick and stay, catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Going through town, the Eco Park here in town. It stretches go all the way down that way, and it stretches go all the way back down that way. But I am going to Tashika house to read instead of going to the library because I have 2 library books in my bag. So I said, sure, instead of me walking go all the way up to the library, I'm just gonna go across the road to Tashika house and done. Because Tashika live here in town, center town. I'll show you the tourist train. So that's the tour train of Nice going by. So if you guys come to Nice and don't want to walk, and you can do the train. We're going down here now. If you live here, you can't tell the residents difference. You can?
Yeah. Okay. Also with the GPS.
Old Town never gets old when you're walking through here. Never gets old. I feel like I just move here every time I walk through Old Town. Restaurants get you every time. Clothes, magazines. This is very cute.
You don't see this
What's the price on it?
I don't know.
Well, this one is 29, so I guess you have an idea. It looks strong too.
Yeah, it's little.
It's very nice.
64.
No, girl.
Yes, so
No. No, I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I must take up my $64 and buy a slippers. No.
If you're undone?
Now, birthday coming up.
Well,
I wear a size 39.
my one right after yours.
When 28. So her birthday's
I'm a
right
Libra,
after
baby.
mine. Her birthday's right after mine.
Yes, one big splash.
Yes. So I gotta be a bad. Mine is on a Friday. Which day yours falling
Oh,
on?
I'm gonna look on that.
Why?
I start partying the week before, people.
Ice cream shop in Nice. You never go wrong with ice cream shops around here. You never fail. See, I'm not the only one recording. See? They're recording too. Look at his face. He's like... He's like, who is this woman with the camera on me? Why is she filming me?
Sir, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna show you guys why I don't like to come to Tashika's house. I'm going to show you
Oh my God.
what she have to do every time she goes into her house and come out. Look, here we go. My gosh, the person who cleaned Tashika's complex, he wash it every morning. He wash it, not cleaning. You guys, that's one stairs I go up already, you know. This is the second one. Then, you guys hear me? Third one, all right? Yes, the little one, they count. It count. Oh God. Jesus mercy. Fourth one. And we're not done yet. You see? We're not finished yet. Look. See there? Fifth one. And we're not done yet, you know? Jesus. We're not send help. You guys think I finished yet? Look. Look at her. Look. The sixth one. Murder. Wait, hold this. So
Come on, goodie.
let me say this one out loud. The fifth one, so this is the sixth one.
This is the 7th staircase.
7. You see me I lose count. And there's no elevator.
And she had it.
Jaja. I mean,
When just look on how she did, man.
let me tell you guys something. I tell Tashika she continued doing these stairs every day. She's going to go in and labor before her due date. Tell me in the comment section if you agree with me.
Lies. Me do mountain every day, I'm fine. I'm a third pick.
Well, look who we have here. Say morning, Faves. Say hello, Faves.
Hello, babe.
You had fun?
Fun.
Yes. Ready to go home? Wait up. She have to go jump her hopscotch before she goes. So she know exactly where to go and find it. Go. Right to the hopscotch she go. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, come on. Come. 7, 8, out. Come on, let's go. Yay. Look at this little woman. She's so old, I can't. Everybody's home. Say hello to the face, Ty. I don't know what is wrong with Sarah and this gogglers over her head.
What is gogglers?
Gogglers. Gogglers.
When you say gogglers.
Sarah, what are you doing? Tata is reading as usual. Sarah says she's playing picnic. She's eating and the food is hot. Something is wrong with our car. It's time for a new one. But car has been making this squeaky sound. Yes, so Fave's here. I'm talking to Fave, so go and have your picnic. Mama soon come, okay?
Okay. Picnic? What?
Our car been making this squeaky sound and it also stopped the radio from playing. So we can't get the CD out, can't turn it on, nothing. So we decided that we were gonna take it to the garage this morning. So babe did it, and we just got back the call that Mama is talking. So excuse me, Mama. So babe got the call earlier that something needs to change, so the car can't use without that thing being changed. So they order what needs to change, and it won't be able to fix until Thursday. And today is Tuesday, so we'll do without our car for the week. So it's in the garage, but it's just one of those things. You're gonna fall, you have to be careful. Okay? But don't worry, Sarah can get us around in her car. Sarah, you gonna get us around in your car?
Yes.
Yes. You're a good driver? You're a good driver? Say beep beep. Coming through, coming through. You guys, look who is on the phone.
We
She's speaking French with Auntie Jane, with Tyra. Yes.
Atom.
Alright, you guys, let me show you what I made for dinner today. So I did green beans and I did curry shrimp. There you go. Yeah, and rice. So that's dinner for today. Boom, quick and easy. So this one is a double layered custom name necklace which have babe name on it. You can see LUD Ludo with the cutest heart at the end, and the middle piece, which is the double piece, have a heart at the end of that one, which is so cute. And then we have the initial necklace right here, and then the ring, which is so cute. And then of course for the princess we have the music jewelry box, and it have best wishes on the front with some inspiring words of hope, like love, love, acceptance, and so on and so forth. So there you guys have it, with the cutest gift ideas from Karativa. So go ahead and get yours right now.